This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding the correct schema. Org type for this page and gathering the essential values: title, description, images, price, or address. Once done, scaffold a minimal JSON LD block with a context and a type so you can validate early. That prevents structure drift. Make sure to use real content values rather than placeholders because search engines read those fields. Finally, keep the block near the top of the HTML so bots discover it immediately. You now fill out each property with accurate, canonical content. Map your CMS fields directly into name, description, image, offers. Price and offers. Price currency. As you add reviews or ratings, nest them properly so the JSON LD remains valid. This matters for rich results. Once nested, include identifiers like SKU and URL and add same as links if available. Make sure to validate intermittently so you catch type mismatches before deployment. This saves time and prevents markup removal by engines. You deploy the JSON LD to the live page and then run structured data tests to confirm parsing and required properties. If errors appear, address missing required fields first, then warnings. Those influence eligibility for rich features. Once tests pass, monitor Search Console for enhancement reports and impressions to ensure engines picked it up. If something still fails, clear caches and test in an incognito crawl or use a URL inspection tool to trigger a fresh fetch. That often resolves stale markup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.